Fascinating facts about Queensland, nature, culture, and attractions. Queensland is home to the Great Barrier Reef, the world's largest coral reef system. Brisbane, the vibrant capital city, offers a mix of modern attractions and historic landmarks. The Daintree Rainforest is one of the oldest rainforests, filled with unique flora and fauna. Queensland's Indigenous culture is rich and diverse, with many ancient traditions still practiced today. Explore famous tourist spots like the Gold Coast, known for its stunning beaches and theme parks. Subscribe to our channel for more amazing facts.